Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at rotating an image inside Adobe Illustrator. I have an image here that is not rotated in the correct orientation. Unfortunately, there's not a menu option here in Illustrator that allows you to easily rotate an image, but it's not that hard to do. In the later versions of Photoshop, near where the hand tool is, you'll find a rotate view tool. Now this not only rotates the view, but if you save the rotated file, you'll also have a rotated image. So let's just click on that. Now with this you can rotate your file, but you're just going to hold the shift key as you do that, because that rotates it round in multiples of 15 degrees. So it's very easy to get to the correct rotation. Now if you want to save the file, you'll see that save is not an option here because technically you haven't made any changes to it. So what I suggest you do is come across here and just turn an object on and off. That's all you need to do, and then save is an option that you can use. Let's go and reopen that file and just prove to ourselves that the rotation has stuck. This file is now rotated, and so if we work on it in future, all the objects are going to face the correct direction. Now if you're working with an older version of Illustrator and you don't have that hand tool, this is what you're going to do. Firstly, make sure that everything is unlocked so you can select it. Choose Select All. And then to rotate this, we're just going to use the menu option. So we'll go to Object Transform and then Rotate. I like this because it allows you to preview the rotation. So let's say that we actually did like the rotation on that initial object. So I'm just rotating it minus 90 degrees. I'll just click OK. Now we've got our art rotated, but not the artboard. So with the art still selected, that's really important. We're going to go over here and double click on the artboard tool. And then from the preset list, you're just going to scroll up to the very top and you're going to click Fit to Selected Art, and then click OK. And now the artboard is rotated to match the art. Again, we're going to save this. I'll just close it and let's prove to ourselves that that worked as well, which of course it did. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now, you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.